Hi friends, I'm going to show you a wash load in this LG front load washing machine FHM1207 SDW using the Zimmer Aufraumen liquid laundry detergent. So I'm going to show this wash load of delicate fabrics of these pants and shirts. So I'm going to load it. I've seen the care instructions and all these require to be washed in 40 degrees. There is enough space for moving. This is actually 25 ml. I think taken slightly more than that. I'm going to select the easy care option, for which the weight will be detected and accordingly the time will be shown. And let me select the temperature for this. By default it is 60. I'll select 40 because all of those can be washed in 40 degrees centigrade. And spin option, I'll keep 400 only because they are delicate fabrics. And I'll start. So now the clothes will rotate, the weight will be sensed, and then accordingly the time will be displayed. Time to be taken for this easy care program and for this load is 2 hours 47 minutes. So you just saw this program was very long because I had selected easy care, which takes longer time because it goes easy on the fabric, on the cloths, so it takes long time, and also depending on the load. So I had selected only 400, so you can see it's slightly damp. But the cloth feels very soft and the fabric feels very soft. So this liquid goes gentle on the good. So overall I think the result is very satisfactory. It is very soft and mild, natural fragrance. There is no synthetic or artificial fragrance added to this. I'll come out with a review of this product soon. I'm undergoing trials, loading different wash cycles in both this LG machine, my son's machine, and as well as my machine. So once I finish my research on this, I'll come out with the final review of this product. Thank you.